Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, drives. She drives a car. Second line, song. He sings a song. Third line, daily. It rains daily. Fourth line, read. I read a book every week. Fifth line, fly. We fly kites daily. Sixth line, ride. They ride their bikes. Seventh line, play. The girls play hockey. Eighth line, doctor. He is a doctor. Ninth line, lawyer. She is a lawyer. Tenth line, play. He does not play here. Eleventh line, go. My brother goes to school. Twelfth line, read. I read the Ramayana. Thirteenth line, drink. He drinks water at night. Fourteenth line, take. We take tea in the morning. Fifteenth line, sign. The star shine at night.